Justin Brunner, Lansdale, Pennsylvania, owner of Bent Metal Customs. So I started on cars back when I was 14 in a restoration garage, just emptying trash cans, trying to figure out which way I wanted to go in life, slowly picking up skills and learning metalwork. I always had a passion ever since my dad and I were rolling Matchbox cars on the floor that I knew that cars had to be involved. Went to college, quit that, started my own business. Rough for the first few years, and then this big whole pro touring movement came about and I fell in love. And ever since then I've been building dreams. You know, I initially got into the love of pro touring cars just for, you know, the stance and the speed, the horsepower, the whole look of the car fascinates me. So that's the direction I wanted to take, and I've been able to find those customers that just have the same passion, the same love for the look. You know, the bigger wheels, big brakes. I initially started with a great customer of mine, the black Camaro we built, which led me into actually building this Camaro behind me. You know, we got the project from the owner. It was his father's car. They had it for 25 years. He brought it to me in not so great condition. I think we replaced every panel on it but the package tray, and maybe a few braces that were actually still in good shape. We initially started the whole project with the stance. We laid out all Detroit Speed subframe and you know, welded in the Quadra-Link. Got the stance right for him. He picked out some forge line wheels, which you can see right now. In the back, we did the mini tub install, which we always usually do on most of our pro touring cars. I think the color was his biggest decision. He wasn't sure which way he wanted to go. But as far as the products, the Schwartz Performance provided us with the LS3. It's the 525 horsepower. The whole package together is just insane. So I found out about Detroit Speed through an actual customer of mine. Very first pro touring car we built, black Camaro. Full Detroit Speed front to back. We have the Quadra-Link subframe connectors, the mini tubs, the quality's there. You just can't go wrong. So far, we've finished 3 projects with Detroit Speed, but now we have 6 in line to use Detroit Speed complete line. First gen, second gen, Novas, all those models we turn right to Detroit Speed. So, you know, at the beginning, maybe I questioned, you know, Detroit Speed, never heard of them before, but when you get in the car and you experience that quality firsthand, you know, with the steering wheel in your hand, and you get out with a huge smile on your face, that's your answer. That's the quality they put out. It's exactly what you want when building a pro touring car. These next 6 Detroit Speed projects I can't wait for. We're going to continue building them, and stay tuned for all the pro touring cars that are going to come out shortly.